We live in a hyper-connected society which is increasingly defined by a range of communication opportunities, modes or channels. A conversation today is increasingly less likely to be conducted purely using one mode, i.e. purely only voice, or indeed only email, or even only social media. Any particular conversation is likely to involve different modes at different times of that conversation. Understanding how those conversations and modes are blended together, particularly as this relates to the context or the emotional value, if you like, of a contact, is a real challenge for organisations today. A lot of research indicates that people are concerned or unhappy with customer service, and that much marketing is felt to be either inappropriate in content, but particularly in terms of time and mode of contact. How do we match this complicated conversation to the real expectations and needs of people in particular situations? What we're proposing to do is to try to look much more deeply at people's expectations as they change, as all these modes become available, and of course we become increasingly mobile, and to try to see if it is possible to establish some much more certain ground on which to build future customer service and marketing propositions as we move into a much more advanced, high-speed digital age, where individuals expect very quick responses and highly tailored and specific responses to a context or situation. The research we're undertaking has several strands to it. Firstly, we are conducting a large quantitative sample, which is looking at a general sample of the UK adult population. Secondly, we're undertaking much qualitative interview research. And thirdly, we're placing our work in the context of existing literature, both commercial and academic, around these issues. Our target is to establish not so much rules, but clear bases of understanding for how we have to go forward to develop really deep, emotionally meaningful conversations with our users and our customers, such that the conversation is tailored not only to the problem, but for the context of the problem as experienced